Hello friends, if you are looking for a value for money phone within 20,000 rupees, Realme 2 Pro is one of the strong contenders. Realme 2 Pro phone was launched by Oppo in October 2018 under the brand name Realme with solid specifications designed for youngsters. In the first video of this series, we will unbox the phone and explore its features, especially hardware. This phone comes in three colors: Blue Ocean, Black Sea and Ice Lake, and has three variants. 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage for a discounted price Rs 13,990, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage for 15,990 and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage for 17,990. We have purchased 4GB RAM with 64GB storage variant from Flipkart. This phone comes with 16 plus 2 megapixel dual camera system and 16 megapixel front selfie camera. This phone has full HD plus notch display of 16 cm, that is 6.3 inches. The phone weighs 174 grams. It is powered by 3500 mAh battery. The MRP of this phone is Rs 14,990. But right now Flipkart is offering 1000 rupees discount on all the variants. Here is a list of contents in this box. The technical name of this phone is RMX1801. I have opted for Blue Ocean color. Its SAR value is 1.28 for head and 0.831 for the body, which is well within the safe limit of 1.6 watts per kg as per Indian regulations. So this phone is quite safe as far as radiation safety is concerned. Still, it is advisable to use speakerphone or hands-free while talking over mobile phones, especially during long conversations, since the radiation is not good for us. Also, we should avoid placing the mobiles near our vital organs like head or heart to protect them from harmful radiation. The charger has a current rating of 2 amperes at 5 volts. This is 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage variant. The internal storage can be expanded up to 256GB using a micro SD card. This phone is made in India. Now let's open this box. I will be making a comparison study between Realme 2 Pro and its immediate competitor Redmi Note 5 Pro and will be uploading the video shortly. Also, I will be uploading a video about cloning, that is, how to transfer contacts, messages, apps, media files, settings, etc. from our old device to new device in one go. This is warranty card. Here is a quick setup guide. This clear soft case is made of thermoplastic polyurethane. This is SIM ejector pin. The current rating of this charger is 2 amperes. That means it does not support fast charging, even though its processor very well supports fast charging. If Oppo would have provided fast charging, it would have been a plus point and definitely would have increased its ranking. This is charging plus data cable. This is the micro USB end, and it confirms that the phone does not come with Type-C port. Let's remove this wrapper. This phone has a 6.3 touchscreen IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The display has pixel density of 409 pixels per inch and 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass. The aspect ratio is 19.5:9. Here is 16 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. Here are the light and proximity sensors. This is earpiece. This is secondary mic for noise cancellation. At the right side, this is the power button, which seems to be smooth and sturdy. This is speaker. Since the speaker is provided on the side of the phone, we can lay the mobile in any position without obstructing the sound. This is micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and it also supports OTG. This is primary mic. This is 3.5mm audio jack. These are volume rocker buttons and are smooth to operate. Here is the SIM tray. Let's eject it. Here we have a dedicated micro SD slot, which is a plus point. Both SIM slots along with micro SD card can be used. It supports only Nano-SIMs, and both SIMs support 4G simultaneously, which is a plus point. Here is the fingerprint sensor. Here is the 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture and Sony sensor. The 2 megapixel secondary camera comes with f2.4 aperture. This is single LED flashlight. Here is the Realme logo. This phone is powered by 3500 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery and is non-removable. Oppo claims that this phone has enough power for 12 hours of music play or 10 hours of video play or 12.5 hours of surfing. This sticker contains important information like IMEI numbers, serial number, etc. Hence, this sticker should be kept safe. The back cover is made of polycarbonate plastic and has mirror-like glossy finish and looks attractive. Let's power it on. This phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE octa-core processor with a frequency 1.95 GHz. Its graphic processor is Adreno 512. The connectivity options available in this phone are Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, micro USB. Both SIMs have active 4G and also supports 3G. Its 4G also supports 40 band. Since some Indian networks use 40 band, this mobile will support all type of 4G networks in India. It supports dual band Wi-Fi, that is, it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bandwidth. Sensors on the phone includes compass, magnetometer, accelerometer, gyrometer, fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature, light and proximity sensor, OTG, etc. It comes with pre-installed Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. If you decide to buy this phone or anything else from Amazon or Flipkart, please use the links given in the video description. If you buy anything within 24 hours of clicking the links, we will get a small commission on your purchases. There will be no additional charges for you on purchases through the links, but this way you can financially support our channel without spending anything extra. This phone does not come with LED for front camera, no notification lights, no IR blaster, no FM radio, no Type-C port and no fast charging. Though the back cover is very attractive, it is susceptible to fingerprints and smudges. Even with these shortcomings, this phone is one of the best options available at this price range. This phone is giving tough competition to Xiaomi phones, especially Redmi Note 5 Pro, and in long run, we customers are the beneficiaries. I'll be discussing about its settings in my next video, otherwise this video will be very lengthy. Let's conclude this video here. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon. Please also share this video in your social circle. It will encourage us to upload more videos. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel A1 Help. Please also click on bell icon to get notifications of our forthcoming videos. For any query or suggestion, please leave a message in the comment box. Let's meet again in next video. Thanks for watching till end. Bye.